In part of the earlier equations, we observed the universe in a single first-dimensional line, 1905. The universe's length equated using the speed of light as constant. The single flat-dimensional line is calibrated from a single point in space defined to be the origin of space. Its length is the length of the light constant divided by the deceleration of gravitation, making the length 91,000 light-years across SRT. Yes, we all do not agree to a flat universe, but a three-dimensional plane instead. In such a case, the length of the sphere universe model is multiplied by pi, 279 billion light-years with an expansion velocity of 74.3 plus or minus 2.1 kilometers. 46.2 plus or minus 1.3 miles per second each second per megaparsec. A megaparsec is roughly 3 million light-years. Gravitation, by definition, is a circular sphere formulated by the breading of a denser substance space element caused by chemistry interaction of an erupting exclusionary event known as the Big Bang. The point of origin implied by earlier physicists was built upon the idea of a flat universe stretching out in only one direction. Yet, by such an anomaly, the eruption force was great enough that it caused secondary elementary particle advancement to be singled away from the natural origin of the space element, therefore forming a secondary element of space denser than the original element. It is this space density real that we observe as expansion theory is a secondary substance of the first and original element. It is in this process and the force it implied that original single-phase matter formed into a mass form and sits at the crest of the expanding sphere parading as lethal galaxies abroad the continuum. The figures are shown here, 279 billion light-years c. 3 million light-years minus a 0 point for gravity to maintain a substantial rate of velocity. 10,000 by 45 miles a sec, 46.2 plus or minus 1.3 miles, equals for 150,000 miles a sec, without using light frame measurement intervals. For 150,000 meters per second divided by ls equals 372,000 meters per second plus 78,000 meters per second equals speed without limit. Equals 44.7 miles per second every 3 million light-years. For 150,000 meters per second at 99.999999 equals 372,000 meters per second equals MQ 2.7a. Distance to nearest star. 1 light-year equals 31 million for 149,600 seconds equals 580 for billion 960 to million 560,000 miles. 14 light-years to nearest star equals 8,189 billion for 175,840,000 miles away. Equals MQ at 372,000 meters per second. Actual 7-year journey to nearest star. Days, months, and years to nearest star. 8,189 billion for 175,840,000 miles to nearest star. 18,198,835 seconds at Q. 303,314 minutes at Q. 5,055